All right. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, everybody. It's such an amazing time to meet again on this. As we look into the chart, and then we do a lot of stuff. We have done a lot of stuff to over the commencement of this mentorship, and then we had class as well this morning, and I think Mr. Wally was absent. I don't know if we can do a recap. I would love Mr. Ariel to do a recap for him. Let me share my screen. Probably to do a recap for him. Perhaps so we can go into something today. I don't know. Can you do a recap for himself on something you learned today, and with your notes, so you can jot down something. Are you there, sir?
Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please, can you do a recap? Let me watch. Can you do a recap for Mr. Wally, please?
Yeah, I learned a lot today. Like judging from the chat, right?
Yeah, Mr. Wally, please follow him up. If you don't understand, asking question.
So what we did today was he told me how I'm going to do my top-down analysis, what I'm to look for, my conferences. So he said, firstly, anytime I enter market, like anytime I see a chart, I'll start with my market structure from daily time frame, so I will know the direction of the markets. Then after that, I will move to my price action to see the battle in the market, like to see who is winning the war in the market. So on this chart right now, he then asked me what conferences we used to take the trade. Can you show him, sir? Because I'm not with the mouse, sir.
Which one?
Yeah,
Tell me if I need to go to any place, so tell me your place.
Yeah, the trade. Okay. 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 So for this trade, like I'm asking you to show him where you took the market, like you took the trade.
Which one? Which time frame?
Where you took the trade? Yeah, this time frame, like where you took the trade you took.
Which time? Yeah, which time frame now? Yes, yes. This is the market. This is the trade now.
Show him where you took the trade. Like what happened then.
Okay, that's you mean 15 time frame where we entered.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That's the word. Yeah, that's the word.
Mr. Wale, you need to write this down. You need to write something down right now.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay.
I need to open my.
Okay, it's very. Anytime you see a pattern.
Anytime
you see a W pattern.
A W pattern, right?
Yeah. That the two legs. Just the chart. I'm coming, sir. Okay. Okay. Let me see the pattern. Okay. It's the way I wrote it down. Okay. Anytime you see a W pattern.
Okay.
Hi there, sir. Which both legs rest on the psych level?
Which both leg?
Yeah, the both leg of the W pattern rest on the psych level.
On the psych level, right?
Yeah, on the psych level. You know W pattern, right? Like when it rests on the psych level, like the leg of W, the top leg.
Yes.
Okay. Rest on the psych level. Note that the legs represent a reversal pattern.
So I have to use a notepad.
Okay.
So both leg rest on the cycle level. Note that the rest. Note that the what?
The legs represent a reversal pattern.
Okay,
Legs
represent a
reversal pattern, and
and a what?
And would definitely reject.
Reject, right?
Yeah, reject the move. You know when there's W pattern, like the market is meant to do what, sir?
When there's doubling pattern, the market
Okay.
is going to sell now. No, it's going to buy now.
No.
It's going to buy.
W pattern. So what the intuition behind this? Yeah, the intuition behind this is that anytime both of the leg of the W pattern rest on the cycle level, that means it won't buy.
Let me draw it, sir, so you can understand. Let me draw it for him, so you can understand more.
Okay.
This is what he's talking about. These two
is going to W pattern is going to buy. Okay, you want to draw it for me to see how it look like on the cycle level. Okay.
And it's on what? Is on cycle level. So those two legs on cycle level. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about.
Okay, that's the both legs on the cycle level.
This is both this both leg. This is what's talking about. This one and this.
Okay.
So it will also help Mr. Yeni also to refresh on what he has learned. Because if you teach people what you learn,
actually, it's a very good one.
It will help you to
improve his own learning.
Solidify your knowledge for you. Cement it for you. So you get, sir, Mr. Yeni. So that's why I want you to.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so like you can cement that for you as well. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Shall I continue, sir? So anytime it gets like the level, it will definitely reject. It will reject. You can see on this chart. You can see the chart. You can see W. Can you see the W, right, sir?
Yeah.
The W
on this chart.
Yeah,
right?
on this chart. Yeah, you can see the W.
Yes.
Okay. So when it gets to that point, you see that instead of it to buy, it reject the move and come back to this trend line. Do you see that, sir?
Yes.
Yeah. So that's exactly what the intuition behind what the note I gave you just now. Likewise, like M pattern, it's the same thing. When the both leg of M pattern rest on the cycle level, it will do the same thing. It will reject the move. It won't do like the move the pattern is supposed to do. Do you get that, sir?
I get
this is the M pattern shape. This is the M pattern shape that he's talking about. This is the M pattern.
So anytime the market, the market is supposed to sell with this pattern, right?
Yes.
So, but when these legs are resting on the cycle level, so that means if the market should come there, it will reject. It won't do like the normal thing that M pattern should do. It will reject back.
Otherwise, right?
Yes, yeah, exactly. So you should write down that in your own language, like the language you understand. Don't put it in my own language because I just try to understand it, not exactly what coach said. So you should, when you're done with that, you can tell me, sir.
Okay.
Make sure that leg is on what cycle level, because cycle level is adding to the confluence.
On the cycle level.
Cycle level is adding to if it's just on anyhow. Cycle level is also a level that is strong. That's why it's adding to the confluence, making it stronger. So these two levels must be what on the cycle level, making it stronger. That's why we have
on the cycle
here, making it stronger.
That's being on the cycle level makes it to act that otherwise reaction, right?
Yeah. So it has been tested by coach many times in the markets. So that doesn't mean that you should take it like that. Or you should try to experiment it as well when you see it in the markets. You will learn from experience. So you should try to watch it if it's used to do like that or not. So let's get back to the chart now.
Okay.
So how to do a top-down analysis, like how to bisect a chart. Firstly,
Okay.
yeah,
How to do a top-down analysis?
okay, yeah, like
What
that's not a
what
note.
I
You can just listen and yeah, you can just listen and I just want to tell you how we take our trade, like how we
okay.
take a trade as a day trader, because we are day
Okay.
trader, we are not swing trader. So how to when you enter the market, what you should look for straight away, then you know where to go. So firstly, market structure from daily
Okay.
time frame to see the trend of the markets. Are you getting that, sir?
I'm with you, sir.
Yeah, market structure will show you if the market is trending or if the trending up or if the market is trending down. So you will know that. You know, in Forex, you should not trade against the trend. So you have to look out for that before you take any trade. So
Okay.
then you come back to 4 hours time frame to see the main trend, to see what the market is actually doing currently. Coach, am I right?
Okay.
Yes, sir, you're right.
Yes, sir. So after that, you will check the price action, which we've been working on, like who is winning the battle, like higher high, higher low, lower high, something like that. Do you understand,
Okay.
sir?
Okay. I'll now check for the price action, right?
Yeah, the price action. The price action.
Who is winning the market at the moment? At
Who's,
that,
yeah,
that time.
who is winning in the market?
Who's
Like
having the
which,
head market? Hello, hello. You can hear me? Hello, I'm with you. I'm with you.
okay. So then
I got it to
we
the point of
draw,
price action.
yeah. Then we draw our trend line based on our market structure.
Okay.
Then we look for other conferences like the W pattern, the M pattern, double top, double bottom that we talk about, our site
You
level,
draw the trend line according to our what?
our structure, market structure. You know, when the market is trending up, like the legs, you will draw it. And when it's trending down, you draw it also, like, because trend
Yes.
line is very, very important, because trend line is what we use to determine where the market is going, how it's going, because the market will definitely respect its trend.
Yes.
And do you remember what site level is for, sir?
Yes. It shows the behavioral pattern of the
No. Site level is point of action,
okay, yeah.
where markets react. So we also use site level to do our analysis.
Okay.
So if the market should break out of the trend line, that's one of our conferences too. And if the market should like maintain the trend, then it's also our conference. So you use the trend line to determine where the market is going to. If it's breakout, you look for other conferences, like maybe head and shoulder or something like that. And you should also note the note I gave you first, like the legs of the hem and W pattern. That's also a conference. So let's bisect these charts. Do you understand everything I said just now, sir?
Just do a little recap. So sorry about that. Just do a little recap from the start. I just want
Okay.
to check if I take it.
Market structure from daily time frame
Yes, I think that.
to see the trend of the markets.
Okay.
You can draw your trend line from there, or maybe come to 4 hours time frame, because 4 hours is the main trend. Either one you want to use, it's fine. Then you come to price action.
Sorry, let me take this in.
See.
Sorry, sir. 4 hours is the main trend, 1 hour is the what current trend, and the 15-minute time frame is the entering trend. Yeah, write it down.
Yeah,
Write that down.
exactly, sir.
4 hours is the main trend,
Okay, sir.
1 hour is the current trend, While 50 minutes is the word entering point where you can enter, find an entry. Write it down, in your own word, write it down.
Okay. Okay. 1 hour is the entry, 15 minutes is the entry point, right?
Yes, 50 minutes is the entry. 4 hours is the main. 1 hour is the current. And 15 minutes is the entry trend.
Okay. 4 hours is main trend, right?
Main, yeah, main. 1 hour is current. Current trend.
Yeah, means entry point. I've noticed that.
Yeah, okay. So let's do the analysis of these charts. Like, sir, can you go back to daily time frame? Daily, sir. Mr. Wale, what is the trend of this market?
It's a downward trend.
So, as a trader, what will you be looking for in this market if you are to like trade this market?
If I'm to look for this, I'm looking for opportunity to, like, a sell opportunity in the market.
Exactly. So you can do your price action on this time frame, but I prefer to go on 4 hours because I understand the 4 hours, it will show more of it. So, sir,
Okay.
go back to 4 hours now to see the trend, to see the
So that will confirm my action.
yeah,
right?
yeah, the price, what price is actually doing in the markets, what price is doing in the market. Go to 4 hours, sir. Hello, sir. Exactly. So the market is still on the downtrend.
Okay.
So on this time frame, we'll draw our trend line. Can you make the chart smaller, sir, to see where the trend line is coming from? Exactly. So we started drawing our trend line from. Please highlight it, sir. Where the trend line start from? Hello, sir. Are you there?
Light what? What?
Yeah. Where the trend line? This trend line.
Okay.
The start from, like, the date. Okay. This trend line is from January 24.
Okay.
Can you see the date, sir? At 9 o'clock, January 24. Abi? No, it's June. Oh. Coach, is this June or January?
It's June.
They June 6.
June 6. 24.
Yeah. So the market has been respecting the trend since June 6. That makes it a strong trend. Because for something to be respecting this from somewhere around there, the higher the time that the market is respecting the trend, the stronger the trend is. Do you understand, sir?
The higher, the higher the time the market has been respecting. Yeah.
Yeah, the stronger. Yeah. So how many times has the market touched the trend, sir? I want you to count with me. Count, sir. Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times.
Okay. Yeah. It's a very, very good trend. A good trend must start from 2 to upward. But I think the third touch is the strongest, to my own belief.
Okay.
The third touch is the strongest. So I always look for touch.
Okay.
Yeah, to touch the third time. So on this market now, we'll check the price action. Sir, coach,
Yes,
are you
sir.
there, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let's check the price action around the W pattern, around the W pattern, sir.
What time frame?
No, I still like this time frame. I like this time
Okay.
frame. Yeah, so let's start from there to cut it short. Where's the cursor, sir? Yeah, let's start from there. Let's start from there. No, higher. Let's start from higher. No. Back. Yeah. Let's start back a bit, sir. No, down. Okay. So let's start from there, sir. Up, go up, sir. Let's start from up, sir. Up, go up a bit, sir. Okay, exactly. Mr. Wale, what is that? I'm trying to like cut the whole something so that will be much faster. What is that, sir? Comparing to like the previous something. I want you to label it for us.
It's on high.
Okay. Like, tell us as a trader, sir.
It's a lower high. Oh,
Exactly.
a lower high.
Exactly.
Mm.
Coach, come down, sir. No, not there. Down. Okay, exactly. What's that, sir?
A lower low.
Okay. Go up,
A
sir.
lower low.
Let's continue. Let's continue the trend, sir.
A lower
Mr.
high.
Wale,
It's a lower,
okay.
lower high.
Yeah, coach. The next one, sir. Yeah, Mr. Wale.
A lower low.
Okay. Aha, exactly there. What's that, sir?
A lower high.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Are you sure, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
Me
Are you
too.
sure, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Go down, sir. What's that, sir?
Higher low. Where are you
He's doing
talking about?
something there. Where coach is touching, he's doing something there. There's something there.
For me, a W pattern. What?
It's not lower than the previous low now.
Wait to. That's what I say is higher low. Higher low. That's what I say.
It's not higher low. Check it very well.
No, yeah, we ain't gonna complain here. Oh, okay.
That's the W pattern we are talking about, sir.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying. I saw a W pattern there.
Yeah, you are right, but I want you to say like the main thing. You're also right, but I want you to say it's that and it's also double bottom. That means a change of markets.
Okay, yeah.
Exactly.
For me, a
So,
double
coach,
bottom.
move to the next one, sir. So, what does that mean in the market? What is happening there? What is the intuition behind it? What is the intuition behind it? That double bottom.
That double bottom that happens, right?
Yeah, what is the intuition? You know, it's not like up to like the seller does not even push up to the previous low. You know, right?
Yes.
Or we can say it's equal. So what is happening there? What is happening?
It shows that the buyers they have the seller couldn't put it. The buyer couldn't put it more below than the previous low. So they have to just struggle to pull up a little bit. That's what I'm saying.
Okay. That means buyers are now rejecting. They are trying to overpower the sellers. So the market is supposed to buy, right? To buy, because this is on 4 hours time frame. And Coach told us that anytime you see a change of structure pattern on 4 hours time frame, it's meant to do how many pips?
To buy.
So how many pips, sir? So how many pips? Coach actually told us on 4 hours time frame. It's all to buy to how many pips on 4 hours time frame?
On 4 hours time frame, that's it's not about 20 pips or
20 barrel.
I'm take right.
Do you have your notes with you?
No, I'm not with my notes.
Yeah, it's supposed to do 60 pips. Coach, am I right?
What's that, sir?
Like anytime you see a change of structure pattern on 4 hours time frame, it's meant to do 60 pips.
Okay, on 4 hour time frame. Okay, yeah, on 4 hours, yeah. It's the least it has
so
on above. It may give you more than that. Or 60 on above. Yeah.
Yes. So can you tell us the reason why the market didn't give us up to that? What actually happened?
What did you say, sir?
Can you give us the reason why the market didn't buy up to 60 pips, like stop buying, then sell back? I need coach stop loss.
Okay. It should be because the market it was being rejected also.
Why? Why is it rejected? Why is it rejected?
You know, it ought to buy normally. The market ought to buy, but due to the
what happened? What happened? Why didn't it buy? What happened?
It's due to the fact that it touched the cycle level, the two decks touching the cycle, and it's representing a reversal pattern.
All right, you are right, sir. You are right. So that's what happened. That's the reason why the market sold. So judging from this market now, what should we be expecting?
We're expecting a massive sell.
Why, sir?
It's already rejected now by the buyers. It's already rejected.
So when it's rejected by the buyers, does it push like below to continue the market structure to the downtrend? Do you see anything that push below? Why is it a sell market? Do you see anything that shows the continuation of the downtrend? Do you see anything forming a lower low? There's no lower low, so there's no confirmation that it's still a sell market.
Okay.
Do you see that now?
Yeah, I get you.
So the buyers are trying to reject. You can see the rejection.
Yes, I can see
the rejection. Yeah. And there's a hammer candle there. You can see the hammer candle.
Yes, in between. Yeah, I can see it.
All right. But judging from what coach taught me on this morning, you are not going to judge with this time frame only. So you go to the main trend, which is the current trend, which is 1 hour time frame. Coach, can we go to 1 hour time frame to check?
Hello.
Check.
Just can you give me 1 minute or 2 minutes? I want to power too.
No problem, sir. Are you there, sir? Hello, coach.
Yeah, I'm there.
Am I doing a good job, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes. Yeah, good to go.
I'm back now. Come on.
All right, sir. All right, sir. So after that, we are going to go to like lower time frame to see what is actually going on, to see our conferences, maybe. What do you say, sir? Hello, sir.
I can't see the screen again. Let me log out and come in again.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, sorry. Hello, can you hear me, Mr. Wale?
I think he has cut off. He will jump back. He will jump back now, sir.
I'm back. Sorry, my boss. I'm so sorry to. It's okay.
No,
I want us to make this short and join the next link. Okay, guys. Let's make it short and join the next link. Let's make it short. So.